This video will show you how to change the batteries in your Apple wireless mouse. If you flip the mouse over, you'll notice there's a switch. You want to turn it off just so you don't damage the mouse. On the bottom is a clip. Press it down to release the cover, and then take the batteries out. And to replace the batteries, you want to put the negatives on both sides. Put the cover on, you slide the top in first and then press down. Switch the power button to on and wait for the green light to appear. It'll blink, and when it blinks, you know you're ready to use it. I hope this tip has been helpful. Thank you for watching.